Hello everyone, my name is Farai Dondo and welcome to my presentation on disruptive technology. So my topic today is going to be reducing cigarette butt litter. Is this really a significant issue? Should society be concerned about cigarette butts? What do computers have to do with cigarette butts? Can computer technology be leveraged to reduce cigarette butt litter? Is this another self-help stop smoking age? Cigarette butt litter is actually a very significant issue, and we'll take a look at why. Most It is the most littered item in the United States and locally within Edmonton, and because of their size, most people do not realize the impact on the environment. Cigarette filters are made from plastic that slowly degrades. It takes anywhere from 18 months to 10 years. They also absorb toxins in their filters. Therefore, as the butt falls on the ground, it pollutes the environment. The filters, along with the toxins they have, end up in streams, rivers, and waterways. Fish, birds, whales, and other marine animals mistake them for food, which causes suffocation, starvation, and death. So let's narrow it down and, uh, and look at the city of Edmonton. About 900 million cigarettes are smoked each year in Edmonton. And in 2007, this accounted for 33.8 of small litter items. As well, about 43 fires, resulting in about $2.1 million worth of damage. However, since 2010, $56 million in damages was caused by improper disposal of smoking materials. So now let's take a look at how we can emulate and leverage some of this technology. The size of a single cigarette gives the impression that a single carelessly tossed butt will not have an impact. The inconvenience of looking for proper disposal receptacles is enough to bring about an indifference on this single act. But remember, this was repeated 900 million times in Edmonton. Every single resident in Edmonton is familiar with the bottle bill, which has established a system of recycling empty plastic and aluminum containers. A big motivating factor for individuals participating in this program is the payout they get from taking containers to the bottle depots. As part of the bottle bill, manufacturers finance the program by paying handling fees to the bottle depots. A similar program can be created where a collection kiosks can provide tickets for each cigarette returned, and once enough tickets are obtained, which is about 20 to 25 the size of a cigarette pack, a monetary value is assigned, which is payable to the collector. Let's look a little bit more closely at computer technology that can be leveraged. Passive RFID technology can be incorporated into every cigarette, which can be scanned with readers installed in kiosks. The kiosks can produce tickets or put stamps on a card. Once a certain number of stamps are collected, they can be redeemed for cash, a technology most are familiar with. For the technologically adept applications, such as the McDonald's digital version of its coffee rewards card, which allows users to collect stamps using smartphones. Data captured by these kiosks, which also act as receptacles for the butts, can be accessed by manufacturers in order to account for handling fees and keeping records of tickets. The financial benefits motivate people to dispose of their cigarettes properly. So, where to start? How do you expand? Now, the city of Edmonton has disposal trays and signs throughout downtown Edmonton. This is the most ideal location to set up these kiosks and would provide a resource that can be leveraged to provide awareness. Every city in Canada has a similar program, which provides an expansion opportunity for the development of the program throughout Canada. Thank you for taking the time to listen. Please remember, persuasive technology can make a significant influence by providing access to responsible management of cigarette disposal. When it is coupled with a financial gain, it can motivate people to go out of their way to practice these behaviors. Furthermore, cigarette manufacturers and not taxpayers will bear the cost to establish this program. However, just as is the case in the bottle bill, they can pass on nominal costs to their customers to finance these costs. In other words, the result is a win-win.